All right, if you are full-time RVing, if you're camping, or if you are a weekend warrior and you just love going out in the mountains and you do that a lot, it's not a matter of if, but when something breaks down. Your tire breaks down, truck breaks down, something on the road. And so I've kind of had to, by way of choice, because I do like it, I do enjoy it, but I've also had to repair my own trucks, repair my own home, if you will. Life on the road has taught me one thing, that you are going to become a better mechanic, a better chef, a better husband, a better father, all these things. It's awesome because you know what, you have to either A, do it, or you got to learn to do it. And today is no exception. We got a little bit of a project on us, and I want to show you guys something that I just got. It's called the Magsen 1/2-inch torque. Basically, this little guy right here has about 1,000 Newton meters of torque. What that means is that if you have a stubborn bolt, a stubborn rusted nut, or anything like that, you're going to be able to break it loose. And it also has a break loose feature on here, where if you come down here and you see this mode button right there, if you kick it over into reverse and you press the mode, and you can kind of see that as green right there, pulse mode, it's green. What that is going to do is as soon as you press the trigger, it's going to stop. What that is simulating is like a hammer, like you're hammering on that nut and trying to break it loose, or a breaker bar, or sometimes I've had to use quite a bit to get these lugs off because you get really tight, particularly on the truck or the trailer. Boy, they get tight. But this little guy gets it off just like that. A ton of torque on this 1/2-inch torque wrench right here. Again, 3,800 RPMs at the high speed. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use the high speed at first, but to get them off, I break them loose a little bit first, lower speeds, and then I crank the speed up to just to get them off really quickly. Let me show you really quick what you do get inside of this kit right here. So come on down, let me show you. So in this kit right here, you're gonna get 2 batteries, which is awesome because they're 4,000 milliamp batteries. That's really cool. So you get the 2 batteries right here, you get the gun, and then you get a couple of these socket sets right here, the most common socket sets that you're probably gonna see out there when changing the tire or bigger nuts, right? So you got a 22 right here. That's what my little dually takes. And then you have all the way down to, all right, so what you got here is you got a 14, 17, 18, 19, 21, and then a 22, which I'm gonna be using today. So your most common lug sets that are out there. So that's nice to have, that they give you this kit. It's almost as if, you know what, this kit right here has everything I need, with a battery charger, 2 batteries, gun, and the sockets that fit almost everything. So I can just leave this in its hard case and it's good to go. I can leave it in the truck. I can leave it in the RV whenever I need it for an emergency situation. I know that it's ready to go with all the sockets ready for the lugs. So let me show you this real quick. We're just gonna do the reverse because I actually torqued this down quite a bit to see if this guy can hit the torque levels that it talks about. So we're gonna hit the reverse, make sure we're in pulse mode, and we are, check that out. So the other nice thing about this is if you have a 4-way lift, or if you're lifting this up like in a shop or whatever, and you forget, or you don't want to take the lugs off and you lift it up, this will actually get the job done, take them off with the tire not on the ground. So that's cool as well. Okay, yeah, that got it a little too easy. Honestly, I torqued that up so tight. It's like as much as I could with a breaker bar as well, and it was just like butter. That was extremely fast. I torqued that pretty hard, put that on there because I wanted to see if it would get it, if it was torqued really well. And you saw it just with the pulse mode, it knocked it, it broke it free. I'm super, super impressed with this. Not to mention it does have a light, so when I'm working under the truck, I can actually see the bolt that I'm trying to get off. It doesn't come with one of these, but I love having a set of these for sure to companion with this, because it makes the job so much easier, especially when you're torquing things down, or you're trying to get it tight, or you're trying to break a bar, break a nut loose. But now I don't need that anymore because now I have a high torque gun that's gonna get the job done. I'm gonna put this right back on. And check out that hammer action right there. That's really good hammer action. That's gonna get that lug on there. And we're gonna switch the modes really quick from, give me a little bit more torque. And there we go, that lug is on there. It is not going anywhere. So the next time that you need to change your lugs, this is gonna get a job done. It's gonna get it done quickly, and it's gonna have enough torque to get those old rusty bolts off that are just torqued on there like crazy. We know them, you have to spray them, you gotta blast them, you gotta break them loose. Next time, give this a shot. before you do it. This is so much better and so much easier to break those nuts loose.